This is how my firm uses QuickBooks to manage a consultation business that makes over $300,000 per year using Stripe. Here is the business model this owner uses. This client uses Stripe as their main invoicing platform. They make recurring income by sending Stripe invoices to clients every month. Stripe then automatically captures payments for the invoices that have a card on file. Any invoices without payment cards on file are paid by the client using other methods. In order to properly capture the finances for this business, we need to capture the invoices from Stripe into QuickBooks, then match all the payments in Stripe to each invoice. We start off the bookkeeping by uploading the invoices from the previous month in QuickBooks. This client has given us access to the Stripe report so we can download them ourselves. There are 3 reports that we need: the invoice reports from the previous month, the balance change from activity report, and the balance summary report. Let's download and upload the invoice reports first. We will treat the items on this invoice as an individual invoice that will go into QuickBooks for each customer. I typically clean up the Excel just a bit to make it suitable to upload. To upload the invoices in the report, we head over to the gear icon and click Import Data. From there, we click Invoices and follow the prompts to import the invoices in the Excel. Next, we download the transactions report from Stripe, which can be viewed as a bank statement. We separate the gross amounts from the fees Stripe charges for using their services. This gives a more accurate account of what's happening in Stripe. The report is uploaded in the transactions section to the Stripe bank account and QuickBooks Online. Once this is done, we can start matching the invoices we uploaded from Stripe to the Stripe bank transactions. Since this client is using Stripe to collect payments from invoices, all the invoices that received a payment should match to a Stripe deposit. Once all the invoices have been matched to a payment, you can investigate deposits that don't have a match and categorize accordingly. Once the Stripe account has been categorized, I enter the transfers from the Stripe account into the bank account. These are categorized as transfers from one bank account to the next and should not be categorized as sales. The last step is to categorize the rest of your checking and credit card accounts before doing your reconciliations. Reconciling the Stripe account is just as easy as reconciling any other bank account. First, go into the reconciliation module, enter the end balance and date for your Stripe account. These values can be found in your transactions summary report in Stripe. If done correctly, you should be able to match all your transactions in your Stripe account. If you're a small business in Canada looking for a similar service, book a free consult using the link in the description or by visiting paperlessbooks.ca. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.